F'atmosfera tal-logħba tal-futbol, l-eks leġġenda tat-tim ta' Liverpool Jan Molby se jieħu sehem f'attività soċjali għal partitarji ta' Liverpool fis-City Theatre fil-Belt Valletta. Ma' News Alan Asterud ħabib personali ta' Molby jgħid li fis-snin 90 huwa kien pedina importanti fit-tim ta' Liverpool li rebaħ il-kampjonat Ingliż.
A legend in the way that he was bossing the midfield, he was playing in the 80s when Liverpool had their glory days, and he was also part of the Danish international team. Was in the 80s was seen as one of the best teams, not just in Europe but in the world.
Fl-attività li se tittella l-ħamis, Molby għandu bosta stejjer xi rrakkonta dwar is-snin li tulhom lab ma' wħud mill-akbar players li għad kellhom Liverpool.
Yeah, he was there and he was playing with teammates like Ian Rush, John Barnes, Bruce Grobbelaar, so that means of course we have amazing stories to tell on the night.
Asterud jgħid li l-partitarji ta' Liverpool żgur se jissaħru b'dak li Molby għandu xi jgħid dwar ir-reb ta' Champions League, dan hekk kif kien involut fl-istrateġija tal-coach Jurgen Klopp.
He has stories to tell. He has insight of the club, and Liverpool won the Champions League, of course, and he knows what happened before, during the game and afterwards. He has a very good relationship with Jurgen Klopp and some of the players, so it's going to be interesting and fascinating to know.
Molby għandu għal-qalbu l-arfin dwar il-Mart tal-qalb bitħule mill-attività se jmur għal dan il-għan.
Today we are making a match day program, 16 pages, interview, forwards, everything with Jan Molby, a couple of other people like sponsors, and it's going to be free to buy, or free to buy, but each supporter that comes and pick up a magazine will donate 1, 2 or 5 or 10 euro to the Maltese Cardiac Society.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.